Affiliate Rocket, the complete guide to making money in affiliate marketing. Here's what you'll learn in this video. How to choose a profitable affiliate niche quickly and easily. The 3 major niche market segments and how to choose the best one for you. Foolproof niche research methods. How to choose the best products to promote. Let's begin. So how can you get started right away? By building an authority niche website. Build a simple website that's loaded with high-quality content that your niche is actively looking for. Then, create review-style posts around relevant products in your market, and promote affiliate products within your blog content posts. Help people on the verge of buying. With an authority website, you'll be able to build an evergreen, future-proof online business. Easily generate income by connecting consumers with products that help them achieve their goals. Diversify your income easily while never relying on Google. Build credibility in your niche faster than any other strategy. Turn your niche authority website into a passive, automated income source. In affiliate marketing, it's all about following a proven content strategy plan that's based on researching your market, identifying the type of content that people are actively searching for, and then establishing credibility within your niche by catering to that demand. Choosing a profitable niche. Choosing a niche. Desperate niche markets, passion-based niches, or everyday market. Let's take a closer look at each niche segment so you can better understand how they may make you money. Desperate markets. These are niches that involve average buyers that have a problem that they are desperate to solve. Examples would be someone trying to lose weight or get back with their ex, or someone needing to get out of debt. These people will gladly spend money if you can convince them that you can give them the help they need in solving their problem. In desperate markets, you are a problem solver. Passion niches. Passion-based niche markets are those in which the average buyer is extremely passionate and excited about the topic. Examples would include hobbies like crafts, scrapbooking, art, or cooking. Skill improvement, including singing or improving your golf swing, and sports, such as hockey teams and memorabilia. These people will spend money if you're able to cater to their strong desire to improve their skills and connect with their passion. In passion markets, you are a dream maker. Everyday niches. Everyday niche markets are those in which the average buyer typically bases their purchase decisions on needs rather than want. In everyday niches, someone in a market may be looking for a new television because they're stopped working, or they're looking to purchase kitchen appliances or upgrade existing products. These people will spend money if you are able to help them make informed buying decisions about the products they need. In everyday markets, you are a problem solver. So what niches are the most profitable? Ultimately, the best niches are evergreen ones that already have an unlimited product supply to promote, high demand and constant growth, a large existing customer base, lots of existing blogs and websites, and above all else, competition. Quick and easy niche research methods. Research in a niche in under 1 hour. Start by searching Amazon for existing products in all of the major categories. Check the rank for both physical and digital products. Then look at the recommended products on Amazon to uncover additional products worth promoting. And look at the best-selling lists on Amazon for hot, trending products. Then it's time to niche down. Let me tell you what that means. When you niche down, you are choosing a main niche such as weight loss. Then you're browsing subcategories within that niche market. Find products that are bestsellers in the subcategories such as yoga mats, or perhaps if you're aiming for digital products, a weight loss category would be low-carb recipes. If you are starting with physical products, try to promote those that are priced at $50 or less to start. Then start selling. Verifying a profitable niche is easy. There should be at least 4 books in the category's top 10 with a ranking of 15,000 or less. If you're looking to sell physical products, we suggest the product should hold a rank of 5,000 or less and be priced between $10 and $50. Focus on evergreen products rather than anything based on trends. You want to focus on niches with staying power. Choose a main niche, prove its profitability through quick and easy research, and then drill down further into that niche in order to segment and uncover other profitable ideas. Here are a few other niche research methods. clickbank.com, jvzoo.com, Yahoo Trending, websites for sale on flippa.com, and social media. Continue your training by watching the next Affiliate Rocket video.